Okay, so look, my friend and we went out on a brunch date the other day. If you check the previous videos, you'll see. And the food was so good. I decided that I want to come home and recreate the recipe. So that's what I'm doing today. Because anytime I go to a restaurant and the food is good, I try to recreate that particular recipe. So yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to start with some yellow petite potatoes. I will add some salt and allow that to boil until fork tender. While the potatoes are boiling, we're going to go ahead and make like a flavored butter using some garlic and some seasoning. Mix that well and set it to the side. Once the potatoes are done, you want to oil them and then you will flatten them just a little bit. And then we'll go over the top with that butter that we made. Next, I added some Parmesan cheese over top and placed these in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or so. Now let's season our steak using some salt, steak seasoning, garlic powder, bouillon, and black pepper. Feel free to just use salt and black pepper if you like, but I have to season my steaks more than that, so yeah. Once you're done, you want to oil the steaks and then go over the top with the seasonings. Make sure you coat both sides really well, and then we'll set it to the side and allow it to marinate for about, let's say, 30 minutes or so. Here I've been preheating a skillet and I will cook my steaks for about 3 minutes per side. I like mine medium, but if you like yours well done, feel free to cook it for a longer period of time. Once the steaks were almost done, I added some garlic, rosemary, thyme, and some butter. Let the butter melt and then you will spoon the butter over top of the steaks, giving it that delicious flavor from the garlic and the herbs. Lastly, let's prepare our scrambled eggs. I added some seasoned salt and black pepper, whisk that well, then in with some butter, then we'll add the eggs and cook to your desired texture. Everyone likes the eggs different, so cook it to however you prefer. So here's the restaurant's version. They had the steak, the potatoes and eggs, and they garnish with a lemon and some kind of ranch avocado sauce or something like that. And here's my version, the same potato, eggs, steak, and I garnish with the lemon and ranch avocado sauce. I did add some avocado to ranch, and that's basically how I came up with that. It was so delicious, guys. Give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description and a caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.